speed, lead, agility, power.
Every throttle roar, every extreme corner. The wheel connects rider and road. TARNS Forged Wheels. Building forged wheels with race-level strength. TARNS creates tailored solutions for every model, delivering perfect fitment and performance. Forged wheels developed for 80+ models across 20 motorcycle brands. 10,000-ton forging reshapes. Aluminum grain structure removes defects and delivers superior strength. Hundreds of CNC machines deliver micron. Every spoke and mounting point is inspected. Level machining and precision forming within 1/10 of a hair's width. As the A2ORR dedicated wheel supplier, TARNS meets WSBK-level standards through strict testing, proving stability across multiple races. From aerospace aluminum selection, 10,000-ton forging precision machining, to WSBK race testing, TARNS embodies the philosophy of born for control. TARNS will keep advancing forging technology, creating premium wheels built for the track.